The launch of the Space Lab is an important step in China's space program. Professor Yang Yuguang from the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation explained why.
The launch of Tiangong-2 is really a milestone for China Aerospace. You see, China has a three-step strategy for its manned space program. As a second step, the first phase is Tiangong-1 and Shenzhou 8, 9, and 10 mission. During these missions, China has already mastered the rendezvous and docking technology. So this time, the Tiangong-2 is no longer called a target vehicle. It is called a space laboratory. It will perform many scientific research experiments. And also, the most important thing is to do some preparation work for the future space station of China, because you see, constructing a space station is a very complicated task, and we need many breakthroughs in technologies. So this time, testing these technologies will be the main goal of the Tiangong-2 Space Laboratory. Well, for China's future space program, for example, in Tiangong-2, China will perform the midterm stay of astronauts in space, because in the future space station, every expedition team will stay there for about half a year, very similar to that in the ISS. So mastering this kind of technology will be very critical to China. And this time, we will let the two male astronauts stay in Tiangong-2 Space Laboratory for about 1 month. So we will find what problems can happen and solve these problems. And also, next year, China will have the Tianzhou-1, the first cargo ship of China, to dock with Tiangong-2. This is to test the refueling technology, which is also very critical for the future manned space program. And in 2018, China will launch its experimental core module of the future space station. Please notice that it is an experimental one. So we will test many technologies, and if everything goes well, it will formally be the formal core module of the future space station called Tianhe. And next, we will launch 2 experimental modules called Wentian and Mengtian. With these 3 modules, all have the 20-ton level. They will form a 60-ton level space station of China.